How does an extra long set of impact sockets sound to you? Sounds perfect to me. I am excited about this. This is from Fakao. First off, before we do anything else, I am going to say I absolutely love the packaging. Check this beauty out. It's like a foam pad with cutouts for all the tools and a faux carbon fiber finish. This is super cool. I'm surprised how excited I am about this. Let me grab the 11mm. How cool is this? So now this, you could either use on a 3/8 inch drive, right? Throw that on there like that. We could go up to a 1/2 inch drive, which seems a little excessive for this tool. And you could also go with a basic screwdriver. How cool is that? That's some serious flexibility there with this. Just so you know, in terms of sizes, there are 8 metric and 8 standard sizes. This is really cool. Super flexible. I don't think I really need the impact driver. They're black impact driver style, but I'm gonna use these a lot for like assembling furniture, working on the RC cars, all that kind of stuff, around the house kind of stuff, also on the car itself. But with these long extensions, it's gonna be so useful, and it's so nice that it has that drive so that you can use it with the powered drive or manual drive. Either way, you cannot possibly go wrong with these. These things are freaking cool. You should get yourself some. There's a link on the screen here or down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use those. If you're on YouTube, you gotta hit that hype feature right now. Remember to like the video, follow the channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. This is a cool one if you ask me.